what's up you guys? In today's video, we are going to be talking about bit.ly.com, what it is, and how to use it. Let's go. Hey, what's up you guys? Alright, so this will be a pretty quick video. We are going to cover bit.ly.com. Bit.ly.com is, all it is a URL link shortener. So I just want to show you guys how to use it. It's super easy to use. It's free. You don't have to pay to use bit.ly.com. And again, all it is a URL link shortener. Okay, and the reason why you want to use a URL link shortener is because, for example, let's say you're writing some ad copy and you want to include a link in that ad copy. Let's just pull this link here. You don't want to have this super long link inside of your ad copy because it's just gonna look way too ugly. It's gonna take up way too much space in that post, in that text box. You want to be able to have a short link, makes it look clean, and it doesn't take up too much space in that text box. So let's head over to bit.ly.com. And when you get to bit.ly.com, you are going to be prompted to create an account. You create your account, and again, it's free. Okay, I've created probably hundreds of links inside of bit.ly.com, and I haven't had it tell me that I've maxed out. There's probably some other features that come with the paid membership. Well, I don't use it. You won't need it. So when you head into bit.ly.com, you create your account, and we are going to hit this big orange button here, and you are going to take the URL that you want to shorten. Okay, so here's this link right here. We are going to paste that in there, and then it's going to give you your link down here. Now you can customize it. Let's say this is a Google Sheet, so you can just put Google Sheet or something like that, or G Sheet, something like that, just to kind of name it a little bit. You don't have to. A lot of times I don't. I just leave it as is. One thing that I would recommend is to make sure that you title this the link. Okay, so that way you can go back in here and you can search the link that you're looking for, and you'll be able to find it. Okay, so you want to be able to search it and find it right away without you having to scroll through all your links and try to find the one that you're looking for. So that is it, guys. That is how you set up a bit.ly link. Now you'll just go ahead and copy this and then put it into wherever you want to use it. So that's it, guys. If you guys have any questions on bit.ly and how to use it, please drop them in the group, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Alright, so there it is, you guys. It's a very, very simple tool, and it's a very great software to be aware of. I highly recommend that you use it whenever you're posting on social media. You're avoiding those big, ugly, long links because it's just not appealing when people see those links on things like social media, on Facebook or Instagram, or if you're sending a link via text message or an email. So I hope you found that helpful, and I'll catch you guys next time.